What's up guys, this is Josh, ATM Technician. Today I'm going to be showing you how to program your ATM with CDS, the processor. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is press clear enter 1 2 3 on your home screen. Enter your unique passcode for master mode, followed by enter. So the very first button you're going to want to hit is right here. It's called config. You're going to want to do TCP/IP set. And you want to make sure that URL option is enabled. So press URL option here. For this instance, it's disabled. We're going to need to enable it in order for us to use letters for the server 1 and 2. Hit OK once you enable it. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is hit server URL, and we're going to type in 2 different servers. So you're going to want to hit the button that says server number 1 up here on the top left. You're going to want to clear out the URL, so press clear. For server 1 and 2, it's going to be the exact same URL, just a different port number, okay? And what you're going to want to do is type in atm.columbusdata.net, okay? Perfect. And then the port number for server 1 is going to be 6963. Once that's all entered, you're going to press OK. Server 2 is going to be the exact same URL, atm.columbusdata.net. And the port number for server number 2 is going to be 6965. And then you press OK. That is going to be locked in. And you're going to want to exit out all the way. Press cancel at the end. So once you exit all the way out, the machine is going to reboot itself. Give it a couple minutes, and once it comes back to this home screen, you know that you did it correctly. And that should be all that you need to know. Thank you.